Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, millionaire mom, helping you make money at home online. Okay, 10 reasons why affiliate marketers fail. Do you know your products? Before I actually carry on with this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and smash that notifications button so you can get notifications as and when I put a video out. So, what products are you selling? Are you selling makeup, skincare? Are you selling tools for the trade? Are you selling digital products? What things are you selling? Have you actually done the trainings inside your back office? If it's a digital product and it's helping you with Facebook, have you actually gone through the trainings and done it yourself and tweaked your profile on Facebook and said, hey, this is what it does. Look at my profile. It's called Big Profile Profits. You need to get this because then you attract people. And we're doing this 365 days done for you, Facebook posts, and then you can become consistent and attract people to you by branding yourself. So there's one of the products that I know of that helped me. So if you've got tools of the trade, for example, builderall, there's over 30 different tools inside there to help you with your business. Do I know what all of them do? No. Am I excited that they keep adding new ones? Yes. If somebody in a group asks you, how do I monetize my Facebook page, and they haven't heard of a chatbot, you could say, hey, you could use a chatbot or a free one, or would you like to take a look at mine because it has 30 top tools linked to it for one price? See what I mean? Also, if they don't want those, you could say, wow, if you do you clean your teeth? If you've got discounts on things they already buy, you can actually say to them, do you want to save money and make money at the same time? Can I send you the link? Boom, you've got another lead. So you've got to find what they want and lead the conversation accordingly. So, know your products. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the notifications button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. And don't forget, down below, get your full-time income down below, get your free trainings. There's some new ones out with Inspire Freedom, launched on Monday. So I'll see you on the inside, guys. Bye.